Don't work in a drive-through. That's all you need to say. Just don't work in a drive-through.
Why? I mean, I know why.
It's just like when people are going through the drive-through, they insist on shouting through it, and it's not even like shouting clearly. They shout as if they're shouting into pillows. So it's just through the it's just through the like talking thing, and you just hear sort of like as they're shouting. But that's not the worst thing. The worst thing is when people are quiet.
Yeah.
It's just like, yes, the pickles, the pickles, the pickles. Like, okay, apparently you want a bowl of pickles. You want anything else? Chicken tenders. Yeah, why are you speaking so quietly? You're like trying to molest me through the like sound waves. Sauce all over my body. Oh God, you got the sauce. She wants her way. Just don't work in a drive-through. It's simple as.